as per Vastu, at least in terms of Vedic Vastu, thresholds in your door are considered very auspicious, especially when you come to an Indian context and when people are actually going about doing their housewarming ceremonies. The major and almost the one of the first pujas that they actually go about doing is for the threshold of the door, because this symbolizes a demarcation which represents the movement of one space to another space and movement to new beginnings. So it's very important that even in a general note like tips and tricks, you can consider this, that when you are entering into your space, or be it residential, commercial or anything, try to have a threshold area in the entrance of your door or entrance of your space, and make sure this is always kept clean, and try to add either rangolis or columns in front of it, or basic thing that you can do is add a tad bit of your hashna and kumkum, that is your red color powder and yellow color powder that you can generally find in puja stores, at the entrances of it, and try to lamp a diya, especially at least in the evening times, on two that is placed on either side of the door, because like I said, this is this is a representation of new beginnings, a sense of where you're moving from one place to another, which represents growth, opportunities and all of that, and it's very important that you value it, and hence please do try to incorporate this into your space. And if you do feel that even this is too much, the basic thing you can do is make sure this entire threshold is as clean as possible and there are no obstructions or anything that is hitting it directly at any point. That is all you have to look into consideration, and this is one of the easiest things that you can actually incorporate even in a Vastu perspective.